Look, you almost got up to the Del Sol. Should I keep going? Yeah, keep going.
I guess, it's free.
You better catch up to that Del Sol.
No pressure.
Catch up, fool, please. You think about stepping. Think about pussy. That's how it's gonna feel when you fucking get closer. Okay, that was wrong.
Yeah, that was horrible.
Is this the last run or what? No, there's still another run, right?
Yeah, there's still that.
Catch up to the Soul Police, bro, I'm begging you.
How much have you
Calm
tried?
down, calm down.
You're not trying hard enough.
No. I want to come next to you either.
No, don't listen to Gloria.
No, the guy's slowing him down.
Step on it, fool.
That's why.